We plan everything in life: education, marriage, home, children. But income, we're told to wait for retirement, wait for returns, wait for the right time. But what if income didn't make you wait at all? And once you understand how it works, you'll never look at income planning the same way again.
On the field, timing changes everything. One delivery can turn pressure into control, and in life too, the right income at the right time can change everything.
Introducing Income Now, a plan that helps you stay confidently in control of your money. This plan comes with a promise of guaranteed income, protection, and flexibility all in one powerful plan. And this promise comes alive with a powerful option that sets Income Now apart: the early income option, which brings you a smart income solution that puts your money to work immediately. With this option, you start receiving guaranteed income from the very first policy year, along with life cover and a lump sum benefit at maturity. And this early income comes with a set of powerful benefits designed to give you guaranteed liquidity and long-term value. And they are guaranteed benefits with early liquidity. Get guaranteed income from first policy month along with a lump sum payout at maturity. Flexible cover, enhanced returns. Choose life cover that fits your preference and enhance the guaranteed income from your plan. Savings wallet and premium offset. Accumulate your income in a savings wallet for future needs or use it to offset future premium payments. Tax benefits. Our tax benefits may be available as per prevailing income tax laws.
Now let's understand that how the early income option works. With early income, the plan adapts to you. You decide how much premium you want to pay, how long you want to pay it, and how long you want to stay protected. Your guaranteed income can start from the very first policy month if taken in advance, or from the end of the first policy year if taken in arrears. This income continues throughout the policy term. Also receive a lump sum benefit at maturity, combining immediate income with long-term financial security. In cricket, waiting for the perfect ball can cost you the match. In life, waiting for income can cost you opportunities. Choose Income Now, because the right income should come at the right time.
Canara HSBC Life Insurance. Promises का partner.